Welcome to the Buttons.
Cheers. What's up, you cool potheads out there? Welcome back to another episode of the Potheads. My name's Greg, and this is my helper. What's your name?
Eli?
How's it going today, Eli?
Good.
All right, today we are making a chicken taco bowl. Super delicious. We like to eat it with tortilla chips, and it is a great and easy meal. So we're gonna start by spraying the bottom of the Instant Pot with some non-stick spray. Wanna try? No, it just sprays in there. Next, we're gonna take this can of chicken broth and we're gonna pour about a third of it into there. Then we're gonna put our chicken breast in there. Ooh, good job.
That's so big. That chicken breast just touched my finger.
That's okay. All right, then we're gonna sprinkle the taco seasoning over the top. Gonna mix that up a little bit so it gets on both of the chicken breasts.
That's gonna be so
All right, next we are gonna add 1 can of black beans and 1 can of corn. Next we're gonna add 1 jar of salsa. Next we're gonna add our rice, which is about 1.25 cups. That's okay. And then the rest of our chicken broth. Alright, and then we're not really gonna stir it, but we're just gonna make sure all of the rice gets pushed down into the broth, into the liquid. Alright, now we're gonna cook it. We're gonna put the lid on and cook it on high pressure for 8 minutes. Alright, with this one we are going to let it naturally release for 12 to 13 minutes. And when that's over, like we already did, we're gonna flip the switch over and do a quick release. Now that it's done cooking, we're gonna take this off, but we're not gonna stir it. Very important, we're gonna take a fork and fluff the rice. And then we're just gonna put the lid back on. Just like that for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna take the chicken out so we can shred it.
no cookers.
Oh. But we cook in the Instant Pot, so we're potheads.
No, we're not. I'm
Okay.
Eli.
Okay, well I'm Daddy, and I'm a pothead. Now that we've got our chicken shredded, we're gonna throw it back in the pot.
That's so yummy.
And then we're gonna mix it all together. Now we're ready to serve our chicken taco bowls. Take a nice big scoop. And we're gonna top it with some tortilla chips, some shredded cheese.
Yeah.
You can do a scoop of sour cream,
Why?
also known as a dollop.
I don't like it with sour cream.
Okay. And then some avocado.
It's a big straw.
And this is the Instant Pot Chicken Taco Bowls. So easy, a pothead can do it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.